Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Camry remote battery. First, gather your essential tools for this simple task. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have good lighting to clearly see the small components. This quick change will have your remote working like new in no time. Now, let's open the key fob. If your remote has an emergency key, remove it first by pressing the release button. Next, look for a small notch or slot on the side or bottom of the key fob. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this notch and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the case. Be careful not to damage the internal components. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Most Toyota key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear and feel them snap securely shut. Ensure there are no gaps around the edges. If you removed an emergency key, slide it back into its slot. Finally, test all the remote's functions, like locking and unlocking, to confirm the new battery is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.